This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Alternator replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal. Then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Remove the right side inner fender splash shield. Rotate the belt tensioner clockwise using a wrench on the pulley bolt to release tension on the drive belt. The tensioner can be locked in position by inserting a drill bit or other metal rod into the lock holes. Remove the drive belt from the tensioner and all accessories, noting how it is routed. Disconnect the electrical harness connector and battery cable from the alternator. Unscrew and detach the cable clip bracket on top of the alternator. Unclip and position aside the windshield washer reservoir. Remove the alternator mounting bolts. Remove the alternator. Install the alternator onto the mounting bracket. Install the alternator mounting bolts. Tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the alternator electrical connections. Install the harness bracket onto the alternator. Tighten the battery positive cable nut on the alternator securely. Reposition the windshield washer reservoir and secure it with the clip. Install the new drive belt, making sure that it's properly routed among the pulleys. Rotate the tensioner slightly clockwise. Remove the metal rod, then slowly release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Install the right side inner fender splash shield. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.